guys, this will be a short video. This is my John Deere E180 that we just got new yesterday. What I want to do is convert the old bulbs, which are quite yellow, over to LED bulbs. Now with these tractors, this is super simple to do. Turn the lights off. All you literally have to do is turn it, take it out, and swap the bulb over. So I'm going to grab an LED bulb. Just put in my LED bulb, and we'll put it in there, and we'll see what the difference is here. And if my light will focus, you can see the one on this side is quite yellow, and this is the LED bulb, and it is kind of almost like a real white bluish colored light. There you can kind of see the difference. So I'm going to replace the other one and we'll see how it looks. And there we go. Both bulbs have been replaced with LED bulbs, and this bulb model is 1156. These are actually the bulbs I had in my old MTD air machine tractor. The nice thing about these bulbs, they don't get hot, and they use probably 1/10 of the energy, which is nice on the lawn tractor battery. And there we go with the lights off. Again, the light that it's putting out is at least double or triple compared to the regular halogen bulbs. And there we go, it's focusing. You can see the LED bulb. And there's the original bulbs that came out. Again, it's 1156 is the model number. And there we go, folks. Just a real cheap, quick mod you can do to your tractor. Again, I'll be using this tractor day and night, so I just want a little more light. And again, I like the looks of it too. It makes it look a lot more modern with the new LEDs on it. Anyways, guys, these were bulbs purchased off eBay. I believe they were a couple dollars a bulb. So if you search eBay for 1156 LED, you should be able to find them, no problem. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great night.